As you can see here, we are growing in a small next food system with an aeroponic setup. So basically the same setup and system that big system is using. These parsley and the lemon basil was planted like 10 days ago. So 10 days ago we transferred it from the propagation to the aeroponic system. As you can see here, the water spraying, and we are spraying it with a nutrient solution with it around like 2.0 EC value and 5.9 pH value. And as you can see here, we have the lights from the other company, and then we put our own lights in it. We set a timer that is turning the lights on every 16 hours. So we're using 16-hour lights and 8-hour darkness cycles in this setup. So the lemon basil grew very fast, and we started pinching it in the top to spread it out and make it grow wider instead of taller. And yeah, basically these plants were planted in the propagation 5 weeks ago. So the propagation system that we're using is the old system that we already showed you in another video. So these have been propagated for like 6 weeks now, and they're starting to get roots. So it's ready to be planted out in the aeroponic system. Yeah, so we're growing the regular basil and we're growing the parsley. So it's just standing here until it's ready and there's space for it in the system to get planted out. These small next foods systems is a great way to show what an aeroponic setup can do. So we are gonna make some different tests with different herbs and see what works and what doesn't work in this small setup. We are gonna be joining Green Tech in Amsterdam in July. So I hope that we're gonna have this setup with us to show you everything from the Paris stand with an aeroponic setup. I know that there's gonna be a strawberry setup as well. So I will see if we can make a video of the assembly of that system.